Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of The Box by Fashionsta. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jennifer, and this is my husband, Aaron. Wake up! And on this channel, we do makeup-related items as well as unboxings. And as my channel name suggests, I am agoraphobic, so I do talk about agoraphobic topics as well as mental health topics. I just talk about them. I'm not a trained professional or anything like that. And wake up, Aaron! And so forth and so on. If you're interested in either of those topics, or say you're interested in all of those topics, then I highly suggest you hit subscribe.
Or some of those topics.
Or some of those topics, whatever. I highly suggest that you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell and set it to all so that you are notified every time that I upload a video. Well, I at least hope that you would consider hitting those buttons and becoming part of our small family. And if you're interested in today's topic, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, the Fashionsta box is... The box is a monthly subscription box. I always want to say prescription box. It is a monthly subscription.
Whole different box.
It is not BoxyCharm. But it is $25 a month, and it is all indie brands, and it is all... last time it wasn't all makeup. It's not all makeup, but it is all indie brands. And it's usually 5 to 6 products. And...
Have I seen this one before? Did you just start this?
Yeah.
Okay.
We filmed this one before. And it's usually 5 to 6 products. This month it is Kindred Spirit. And it looks like there's 5 products in there. And I'll give that to you. And this is what it looks like on the inside. They always put these little things, which I hate so much. But let's go to the first thing. It says pink grapefruit on it. Let me turn down the lights a little bit so you can see what we're working with here. Oh, I always push the wrong thing.
In the desert.
This is what it is. It is Intensive Repair Cream Pink Grapefruit by Jubel Naturals.
Jubel.
Okay, what does it say about this?
Ultra-rich reparative moisture bursting with the aroma of fresh pink grapefruit. Use after bathing, showering, or anytime as needed. Vegan plus cruelty-free. $12.
Okay, so I'll probably put this in a future giveaway. It's probably sold up.
Oh, I wanted to smell it though.
I have so many hand creams open right now.
Creme repair intensive.
So look for this in a future giveaway. Next are lashes.
Oh my.
And
coming right at you.
they're very spider-like.
Wild and untamed.
There's like one here and one over here. Is there anything on there that mentions lashes?
Base Blue Cosmetics Swift Lashes. $11. Lightweight, ultra wispy, perfectly rounded set. Ideal for adding an instant dramatic effect and fluttery finish. Medium length and volume for a comfortable wear for any eye shape. Cruelty fee.
Cruelty fee?
Cruelty fee. So it includes a fee for cruelty. I think they meant free.
Okay. If you saw...
Do you want your cruelty to be free, or do you have to pay for it?
If you saw our Halloween edition special where we were putting on our Halloween makeup. You might have seen me struggle with lashes. In fact, we had a whole video dedicated to putting on lashes.
Turns out it's hard.
It's hard. We can't do it. So I'm going to put this in an upcoming giveaway. These look like pretty nice lashes. And they're $11, you said?
Yeah.
And I'm going to put them back in their little baggie.
They look kind of wild, though. You're going to have to like beat them into submission before you can use them.
Okay, I'm going to save that for last. Okay, this is State of Kind.
Not state of mind. State of kind.
Kindly restore sleep concentrate.
Deeply nourish and repair and hydrate skin overnight. Kindly. Leave skin supple, fortified, and hydrated. 100% natural, vegan, cruelty free. It's like a milk bottle.
Okay, I'm gonna try this out.
It'll make you go to sleep, though.
Looks like just a lotion.
Multitasking.
Whoa, that smells.
I guess that's why you're supposed to go to sleep right after you put it on.
Like lavender and mint.
Oh, well, there you go. You like lavender. You can smell other lavender everywhere while you go to sleep. Yeah, that's kind of...
Smell that.
I know, I can smell it from over here. Kind of radiates out.
Okay. And the quick slick. Okay, I think I got this.
Quickly and easily a touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps.
We got this in a box of time.
Non-irritating, not flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and fly away is light peach scent. Cruelty free.
They keep trying to give this to me.
Well, I know you don't want it, but wow.
It's one of those things that you tame your flyaways with. I already gave this away.
Isn't that what hairspray is?
Yeah, you'd think. I'm going to put it in another giveaway.
This is for the people out there that all their hair is perfect except for this one little wisp. And they just need to smooth it down.
So that goes in the giveaway box. And let's see if we get a full-size palette this time. Last time they gave me a little palette with just 4 shades in it. Yes. This is Copycat Cosmetics.
Wow.
And it says Shocked on it.
Six matte and 3 shimmers in this beautiful 9-shade palette, perfect for pops of color and matching with great pigmentation and blendable perfection. Cruelty free. That's bright.
That is bright.
You can go party with that.
I think that's a little too much for me.
Party.
I think I'm going to stick this in a giveaway too.
Well, this is working out well for you, isn't it?
So I'm not going to swatch these colors. Maybe somebody who likes color a lot would appreciate this a lot more than I would. I'm about to go through a palette retirement soon. You'll see that video coming up in a couple of weeks where I go through I'm not doing a declutter. Don't get it twisted. I'm doing a palette retirement where I'm just putting some palettes aside so I can make room for new palettes.
They've done a good job. They can take it easy, have a pension, you know.
Play some shuffleboard.
Yeah, play some shuffleboard.
But I need to make some room. And prize in an upcoming giveaway. I know that the rate of subscribers has greatly slowed on my channel. And I don't know when the next giveaway will be. So be sure to subscribe, because the more subscribers I have, the more
Everybody's had enough of my crap.
the more giveaways we can have. And
Put that back in there.
no, I'll throw that away. And just to go over this again, we got the State of Kindly Restore Sleep Concentrate. We got the lashes. We got the Quick Slick for your flyaways. We got the Copycat Cosmetics Shock Palette. And we got the Pink Grapefruit Intensive Repair Cream. And yeah, you'll be seeing a lot of that in an upcoming giveaway. And what?
No.
Let's see, how much is this? What is it called?
State of Kind.
State of Kind. It's $65, so I got my money worth out of this box.
There you go.
So, like I said, if you're interested in this box, it is $25 a month. And it is by Fashionsta. I will leave a link down below. I'm sorry, I didn't ask you. Did you want that? Did you want that eyeshadow palette?
No.
Okay.
That's too much color for me to handle. It's better off that I don't have that kind of power.
Okay, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you get this subscription box and what you thought of the products this month. And if you are interested in getting this box or anything like that, tell me anything that you've gotten in a box lately that has interested you, anything like that. Anything interesting that you've seen come through in one of your boxes, I'd like to know about it. So sorry I didn't have much to watch for you today. And I just hope that you are having a fantastic, wonderful day today, and that everything is going your way. And if you are not having a fantastic day, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a fantastic, wonderful day. And if you're having an especially hard time, just remember we are sending you the good vibes to hopefully help you along. But remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And we will see you again soon.
Bye.
And just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.